boys and girls. I am teacher Melinda Hughes, and today I want to invite you to join me as we do social studies for grade 5. Our topic today is national events celebrated in Guyana, but we will look specifically at Fire Prevention Week. Fire Prevention Week. October is designated as Fire Prevention Month. However, the second week commemorates Fire Prevention Week. Why do we celebrate Fire Prevention Month? There are two main reasons. One, to promote fire safety consciousness among people. And secondly, to display preventative measures and preparedness programs in the event of a fire. So there are two basic reasons why Fire Prevention Month is observed in Guyana. Fire. What is fire? Fire is a form of energy. Therefore, it is important to life. Fire is used mainly to cook and burn garbage or waste. However, fire can be destructive, and as such, care and preventative measures must be observed when using fires. 1. Avoid lighting fires near flammable substances. Flammable substances are things that catch fire easily. For example, gasoline, hand sanitizer, and paint. Do not leave pots on fire unattended. Matches or lighters must be kept out of reach of children. Do not play with fire. Do not leave lamps and candles lit while asleep. Smoking in bed is also dangerous. These are some practices that must be observed when fire is in use. Now let's look at Fire Prevention Week. Fire Prevention Week is observed the second week of October every year. Fire Prevention Week begins with a church service. The Fire Service of Guyana hosts several activities to help the public become aware of how they can save lives in case of a fire. These include fire safety fairs, exhibitions, rallies, talks to schools by personnel from the Guyana Fire Service. So there we have some pictures showing activities that are observed during Fire Prevention Week. We have a fire officer speaking to a group of scholars. We also have demonstration fair, where we see fire officers and members of the public are participating in demonstrations in event that there is a fire and someone needs to be rescued. Images showing how fire destroys buildings and lives. Yes, when fire strikes, buildings are destroyed and also lives are lost. So it is important to observe safety tips when fire is in use. Do not be careless. Remember that it is important to observe the tips. So remember, safety begins with you. Safety begins with you. Educate yourself. Remain positive. And finally, help someone to practice safety when using fire. Until next time, boys and girls, see you then.